Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a Facebook video on Canva. The first thing you will need to do is open Canva. Once in the app, you can simply tap on the search bar at the top of the page and you're going to type in Facebook. So let's do that real quick. So you're going to type in Facebook video. After typing in Facebook video, you can simply tap on it. Then from there, you're going to see numerous templates that you could choose from, as you can see right here. So you have numerous options. But let's say, for example, you want to start off with a blank template. You could simply tap on create blank. After you have done that, you will be led to a blank canvas. And again, you will see different templates that you can choose from that they are recommending, as you can see here. But let's say we don't want to do that. You have a few options. You can either tap on the plus in the bottom left hand corner, then you'll scroll across on the bottom menu option and you're going to tap on uploads, and from there you could choose to upload a video or photo from your gallery by simply tapping on upload files. Another thing that you could also do, if you would like to use something from Canva that is copyright free, you could tap on elements. After tapping on elements, you'll tap on the search bar. Then from there, let's say for example, I would like to add a beach video. I could simply type in beach. Then from there, I could tap on videos. Then you can see the different beach videos that I can use, and all of these are copyright free videos. So let's say I would like to use this video for example. Once you have added the video, all you'll need to do now, you could simply tap on the three dots. Then from there, you're going to scroll across and you're going to tap on set video as background. So you can now see that the video is set as the background. And if you would like to add text, you'll tap on the plus once more in the bottom left hand corner. Then you're going to tap on text from the menu option at the bottom. And you're going to tap on add a heading, or you can select whichever text style you want to use. Then you can type in the text that you want. So let me type in something real quick. Once you have typed in the text, you'll tap on done. Then from here, you can change the font style by tapping on font. So you can choose whichever font style you would like to use. You can also change the color of the font. So you can tap on, scroll across, and you could tap on the capital A. And from there, you could change the color of the font to whichever color you want. You can also change the size of the font if you want. And you can also edit the formatting. And if you would like to make the text animated, you could tap on animate. Then you can choose the different animation style that you would want. So I would like to use the typewriter style. After you have done that, if you would like the text to appear in a certain section on the page, you can do that by simply tapping on the three dots right beside the trash can. Then you'll tap on show timing. After you have tapped on show timing, you'll realize that you now see a purple bar at the top of the timeline. Now let's say I would like simple answers to appear for the first 15 seconds. Then I'll simply pull it down to 15 seconds, as you can see right there. So it is only going to appear for the first 15 seconds, and then behind that will just be the plain video, as you can do that. If you would like to also add audio, you can do that. To add audio, all you'll need to do once more, you'll pull it to the front of the timeline. Then you'll tap on the plus in the bottom left hand corner. And from there, you can either choose to upload audio by scrolling along the bottom menu option, tapping on uploads, and from there you could select audio and you could upload an audio track, or you could scroll across, tap on elements, and then from there you can type in the type of audio that you want. So I'll type in beach waves. Then from there you could tap on audio. And you can see the different copyright free audio tracks that you can use. But let's say I would like to use this one. You can simply tap on it. After you have selected the audio track, you can see that it has been added to my timeline. You can choose to edit the audio track by simply tapping on it. Then you can see beat sync. You could sync the beat right there. You can also add effects. You can also edit the volume of the audio track if you want. As you can see right here, you can increase or decrease the volume. Once everything is to your liking, you're going to tap on the share icon in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on download, and you'll now save your video to your device. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.